We'll guide you through how to cancel your ChatGPT subscription. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and liking the video. First, open your web browser and go to the ChatGPT website. Once you're logged in, navigate to the top right corner and click on your profile icon. A drop-down menu will appear, and you'll want to select Manage Subscription from this list. On the Subscription Management page, you'll see details about your current plan. Look for the Cancel Subscription button, which is usually located next to your plan details or at the bottom of the page. Click on this button. You might be asked to confirm your decision, so make sure you're ready to cancel. There might also be a short survey asking why you're leaving. You can fill it out or skip it by clicking Next or Cancel Subscription again. Once you've confirmed, you'll see a notification or a message indicating that your subscription has been successfully canceled. Be sure to check your email for a confirmation message, as this is a good way to verify that the cancellation went through. Remember, if you're canceling in the middle of a billing cycle, you might still have access to premium features until the end of that cycle. It's always a good idea to review any terms or conditions to understand how cancellations might affect your billing. Don't forget to subscribe and comment if this helped you out.